Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to turn off end-to-end of Facebook Messenger. Actually, this is very easy. You just have to go to settings and privacy and turn this one off. But unfortunately, there are some messengers that don't have that feature. So if you still see that end-to-end encryption, even if you turn off that end-to-end encryption on Messenger, then all you have to do is to follow the next step. You have to go first to your settings and go to privacy and safety, and then you have to tap this end-to-end encrypted chats. Tap this one right here. And then after that, you will see two options under end-to-end encrypted chats. Then what you're going to do is to click the second option here, security alerts. Tap this one and then click this manage security alerts. Then what you're going to do here is to lag out all the devices where you are logged in. Okay, but you have to remain or stay with this device. So this login. So you have to stay on this device. And then after that, you have to go back. And then what you're going to do next here, in order for you to turn this one off, since you cannot really directly do that, what you're going to do here is we're going to create a group chat. You have to add the person that you have or you want to have a conversation with, and you have to add your other account or someone that you can just simply remove later. Okay, so the account that you want to have a conversation without encrypted chats or without encryption, and the other one is your other account or someone that you can remove after creating this group chat. So I have this two person right here, but I just want to simply have a conversation with Ashanti. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to remove the other account here, this infinity. So I'm going to tap this person's name. And then what I'm going to do next is to simply scroll down and then remove from group chat. So I have this Ashanti and me. So if you have started a conversation with this person, then you will have the new messages or conversation without encryption or without this encrypted chat. So as you can see, there is no encrypted chats right here. And if you open this to other device, then you will not see that end-to-end encryption notification. So this is how you simply turn off end-to-end of Facebook Messenger by doing the other method. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.